Hi everyone, so it's Emily here and I'm getting ready because I'm going to the mall to buy some clothes with my friend, and yeah, I'm eating some not so tasty breakfast, some sandwiches and citrus water.
Hello, I am Malin and I'm on a walk with this guy. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, I'm in my cabin right now and it looks like it's going to start to rain soon, so maybe I have to start walking faster. Yeah, come on. Hello!
This is Jacques and my name is Marcus. I'm going to cook some food right now, like macaroni and some jalla picca sausage.
So, I am Bug on my way to go and get a new haircut now, and then I am going back home. Yay!
I'm the king of the world!
Yeah, really. Ah!
Oh,
Whose bike is this?
it's mine now.
Now?
Yep. I stole it.
From?
Santa.
Okay. This is Santa's bike. Yeah, really.
Hi everyone, so my friend is in the living room right now and we're going to watch 500 Days of Summer Awkward and Pretty Little Liars. So yeah, I don't think you will hear anything more from me today, so I just want to wish you all I hope you all had a good day, and I talk to you guys later. Bye.